Problem number 25. This is the parent function. This is our translation. And so I'm going to rewrite this. We have a 2 up front. I'm going to take the negative and ask myself, what times the negative gives you a negative x? And what times the negative gives you a positive 1? A negative 1. So if I distribute this, I'd end up with this expression inside and a negative 1 underneath. So I'm going to stretch this by a factor of 2. I'm going to transition this to the right 1 and down 1. Right 1, down 1. So my original function is at 0, 0. I'm going to go right 1, down 1. This is my new point, like a starting point. Okay, A prime. And then I'm going to stretch it by 2, and remember to reflect it across the y-axis. So stretching it just is going to make it, rise faster. And then, but we're going to make it rise faster in the opposite direction because we're reflecting across the y. So what do I do at this point once I know the starting? Well, what we can do, go back up there, erase anything you currently have, and let's plug it in. So I have 2, parentheses, negative, parenthesis x subtract 1, and parenthesis, raise to the 1/3, bring it back down, subtract 1. And I'm going to make this on a 10 to 10 scale like we have. So the window still was adjusted from the previous problem. I'm going to change that. Okay, so if I do second trace at this point, I'm going to have a table of values and I can see where I want. So again, I know 1, negative 1. That's my starting point. So I can go through and graph these. I can go 2, negative 3, 2, negative 3. I'm finding good intersection points. I can go 9, negative 5, 9, negative 5. And I can go the opposite way and find the others. So 0, 1. Sorry, keep moving up here. Negative 7, 3, and that's how I'm going to get these points. Now, how do I identify which one is B prime? So B originally was right here, okay, and it tells us where it was. Now remember, my graph started going from here, and it flipped it went the opposite way. So what's the first point going to the left? The first nice ordered point with integer values going to the left of the starting point, and it would be 0, 1. That's your B prime. Now for the domain, there's no limit to the left or to the right. And also for the range, there's no limit how high it goes as it goes to the left or how low it goes as it goes to the right.